and welcome to day 8 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. If you are just finding our series that we have going on, we do have giveaways on each channel. Make sure that you are a subscriber to each channel and leaving a comment daily. And I'll have all the rules in the description box below. And what I have created today is this Spiderweb witch purse. And I love how this came out. And I used Recollections Spook Hill paper pad for the decorative paper on the purse, and then the Recollections gold foil for the handle and the spider web. The SVG file is from the Silhouette Design Store. I've added this mesh gold bow, and of course had to add a spider since it has the web. It's a fairly quick and easy project to put together. I did alter the file a little bit so I could add a different decorative piece under the spider web. And it does have a decent size opening that you could tuck some goodies and send to a crafty friend. I've not seen a file that has the sides that go in like this with the folds. So I really like that since it was something different. And the back is the same as the front. But I thought it was just a super cute and fun project. Stay tuned for the tutorial. So I have the pieces for the purse, and of course we have the two front and back, and the two side pieces, and the handles, and the little like hinges, and the, oh gosh, I can't think what these are called. But anyways, and here's the, we'll glue these together. So let's get started with, we'll start with this, so then when we're gluing our handle pieces together, this can be good and dry before we start putting the sides on. And this is the gold, that gold thin paper from Michael's. It's the Recollections gold foil paper. And I have found out when I'm using it, I like to put the glue on and then smooth it out so it doesn't leave the texture on, showing through the paper. I'm just going to do some of the lines here, the main lines that go across the paper. You line this up over this, and I put this white paper underneath so you could see really well. And I'm going to take a paper towel and go like this and smooth this out, because I don't want to want the excess glue to stick to the paper towel, so it will not smear my gold paper. But if you do get glue, there's a little spot right here. Just take a baby wipe, and then I'll take my paper towel again and wipe it off. And I see another little smudge over here. It's kind of hard not to do, so I think that looks like all of it. Whoops, nope, right there. And then I think I touched that with my hand. It's like, be really careful to not smudge it. So those are some just little tips I have picked up when using foil paper. And I'm thinking I like this paper underneath, and when your glue oozes out, it gets on the paper versus your mat. So now we'll bring in our purse, the base. And I did cut it out of 110-pound cardstock. And I did create an extra layer. I just cut the file apart in my Silhouette program, so it would be good and sturdy. So then we're just going to glue this piece on top like so. Okay, so now we have that, and we'll let that dry, and we'll go ahead and put these little hinges and little brackets, there we go, on our purse. So what I did here was I wanted my handles to be gold on both sides, so I cut the handles out, the handle out 4 times, and then on 2 of them where this score mark is, I just cut off that lower portion, so when I put the little bracket through, I can fold it over and it's not super bulky. So we'll just pick the side I want for the front, and we'll just put a little bit of glue here. I'm going to smooth it out so it won't be as bumpy. wipe my fingers off. And just going to center it on the bracket like so. And then just hold that down. Okay, there's one. We'll do the other one. Now we will, on these, I'm just going to glue a little tiny bit, so I want the bottoms to be open. So I'm just putting a little bit on the front and the back bottom part of the bracket. And we'll fold it over. This way this will be open and I can go on the top edge of my purse on each side, but I figured it would be easier to have the handle already put together. Okay, and we'll do the other one. Okay, so the handles are together. Okay, so now we will start putting the sides on the purse. And I did fold, there's score lines, I hope you can see those. So there's one down the middle about halfway and then two at an angle on the side. So I pre-scored them before we attach it to our purse, and then I folded all the tabs over as well. And then there's one at the bottom that goes all the way across for the to hook to the bottom of the purse. So we'll get started, and I'm just going to put glue on a couple of the top side here, and we'll just line this up. And then I'm lining the score mark here with the gold part of the purse. Kind of glue on, we'll do 3 this time, and then come back to the front, and we're just going to line that up along the side of the purse, and do 3 more, taking the score line along the side and lining it up with the edge of the purse, and 3 more, just curving it like this. Just go along the bottom. Okay, that's lined up really well. So I'm going to take it over and run the bone folder along the bottom. And start on the other side of our purse, and we're just going to do the same thing. And now we're going to put the other side on, so I'm going to put glue. I did ink the edges, and we'll put some glue on the bottom piece, and then just slide it in. Just start gluing our tabs to the front of the purse. There's our purse, and we will put our hinges, is what I'm calling them. So we'll put them along the top, and I'll put some glue on the inside pieces where I didn't glue them together. So do that one, and we'll go ahead and do this one. Fold them back just a little bit. Center that, just making sure that it's even on each side. I like the placement there, and we'll do this one. I think that looks really good, so we'll do the back one the same way. We have our completed witch purse, which I think is absolutely adorable. Thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure you are a subscriber to Rosa and Robyn's channels as well as mine, and that you're leaving comments daily to each of our videos to be entered into the giveaway. I have all of that information in the description box below. So thanks for watching and have a spectacular day.